Hey guys, I just wanted to go through my everyday summer makeup tutorial. So this is what I wear on a typical day in the summer. But I'm going to start off, I just have my IT Cosmetics buffing brush, and I've been using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Nude Ivory. I'm still breaking out quite a bit. I've always had redness on my nose and a bit in my T-zone, but this like redness on my cheeks is... It's been like a year now, and I'm pregnant, so I definitely think that is messing with my skin as well. So it's been a little tricky to try to manage, to be honest, because I used to be someone who didn't mind running out without makeup on, and since my skin has become a little bit more difficult and I've had like more redness and breakouts, I'm less comfortable doing that, which I don't want to feel that way, but I do. I would never judge anyone else, but I definitely judge myself. You know? The Maybelline, what is this? I love that it doesn't even say. Okay, I'm gonna link this below either way. This is the one that everyone really likes. They compare it sometimes to the NARS concealer. Anyways, it's just a regular doe foot applicator. This is so much easier. Now I don't really use this to like highlight. I know some people do, but my foundation is pretty close to my skin tone. So I really just put this in areas that I want additional coverage. So for me, that's always around my nose, under my eyes, and then a bit on my cheeks. Then I'm just gonna use my finger and just sort of blend that in. Just sort of dab it in. So then I've been doing the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I really like this stuff. I think it does a really good job, like mattifying and setting. So I use this in my T-zone or wherever I put concealer. And I just kind of like buff it into the lid. Next is Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the light, and this one I think is just very natural. It's very easy to use, but I would like to try the slightly darker one and see if that's a good fit as well. I know that the very dark one would obviously be too much because I'm, you know, relatively fair, but I don't know. I feel like I might be able to wear the next one up too, you know, just for the record. Okay, brows, I've been sticking with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have their brush. So I've been using Ash Brown. I do have taupe when my hair gets really light. Like when I dye it one more time, it'll be quite light, so I might go in with taupe. But anyways, I really like this stuff. I feel like it lasts forever. And I really like this brush. I'm not super attached to the brush. I do think it's really nice, but I have other angled brushes that I could substitute for this, because I don't do like brush strokes or anything like super crazy. I literally just like fill in my brows, so I don't know that I need, you know, like a very fancy expensive brush, just to be honest. So I really like the Milani blushes. This is 08 Tea Rose. It's just like a nice natural. Just kind of put it a little bit higher than the bronzer. Go into the original palette, and I'm going to go into the color Mauve, which is... I really like these palettes because they have a good amount of 8 shimmers and then 8 mattes, and I really like that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the crease brush, and I'm going to go into Mauve. And that's where I'm going to put it, is my crease. And that's one of the reasons I love to switch my hair color, because I feel like when I switch my hair color, I also switch like the eyeshadow and lip colors that I really like on my skin. So I think that's kind of cool, and I enjoy that. I also have a really short attention span. Okay, and I'm gonna put this on the outer portion of the lower lash line and then blend it all the way across. Go into the other palette. I'm sorry, you're probably gonna hate me for that. And go into Cool Gray, so another matte, and just kind of, I'm gonna use the deluxe brush, yeah, and just kind of deepen up the outer portion and blend across. Also taking it down to that outer edge. Sweet. For the lid, I want to go in with Rosé, which is a shimmer that is kind of like a golden bronze. I'm just gonna press that in. And then I'm gonna use Chrome, which is also a shimmer on the outer, like half, and then just kind of push it in. I have the NYX Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner in the color Gunmetal. So it's like a dark gray. And I'm just gonna Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. All right, so I'm gonna curl lashes. Oh, this is a wild looking thing here. The lip liners that I've been liking are the Covergirl Lip Perfection in Seduce. I really like that color. And then as far as staying power, I like the Maybelline Color Sensational better, but this color is a little too pinky for my usual liking. This is the 110 Purely Nude. So I'm gonna start off with that on the outer edge. And kind of blending in the center, I'm going to use the Covergirl one. So I like this color better, but I don't really like the formula better. I don't think it's as long lasting or as pigmented. But I like the combo of the two. So that is our finished look for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please give me feedback. Let me know what you would like to see, what you enjoy, and I hope that everyone is having an awesome summer. Thank you.